Alright, just a quick video showing how to remove the map light and dome light slash power sunroof controls on a Mk4 Jetta. I already have a little screwdriver just pried in here. These are held in by just those little spring-loaded clips they use on the front of the other map lights. So you just carefully pull it like that. See, there's 4 of them. And interestingly, look at that. There's an Allen key hidden behind it. And 4 of those spring-loaded clips. Yeah, there you go. Now, once you do that, remove the front cover from the front of the plastic. There we go. Comes out. And there's the LEDs I just put in. And as you can see, here, let me get better light. There is a, how do I get the angle right? There we go. Okay, well inside that little dark circle there, and dark circle, oh, you can kind of see it. There's Phillips head screws. So, one there. Can't get my light to get onto it, but you know what I'm saying. So take those 2 off, and through the power of editing, those screws have now been removed. And these are just clipped onto the edge of the roof liner on either side. Along here, and along here. So choose one side, I'll go over here, and just gently pry it out. Just like that. The other side just pop out. There you go. Done. There's the 2 screw holes. Yeah. And just do the opposite to get it back up there.